Hello everyone, this is roofer Andy. Today we are dealing with cutting tree. This one is broken down by the tornadoes several days before. It hit the roof. So today we are dealing with the branches. After this, we will repair the house. So you will see the fissure, the raft, the plywood, the shingle, soffit, everything is damaged by the branches. So after cleaning, let's do some fix job. So today we are do the cleaning. Okay, let's go. The roof, which is hit by the branches. You know, here the branches damage the shingles. You know, this all shingles is damaged, and the plywood, the plywood here is damaged, and the raft, you know, the raft here damaged, the fissure, the soffit, the raft, the plywood, all need to be changed. So after we cleaning all the branches, then let's fix the roof. Then I will take you the details radio. And when the branches fall down, it also damaged the roof here. You see the roof. Yeah, for here I need to repair it today. Once I clean the branches, or it will leaking. When raining, it will cause leaking. So this need to deal with within today. Okay, so now let's clean all the branches on the roof. Okay, then let's fix all the damaged area next time. Kenny, how to cut these branches down?
So this is what we are going to do in cutting this tree. We are going to cut the middle tree, the middle branch first. As you see, on the other side, the other part of the branch is holding on the roof, and this side too is this side is holding on the roof. So when you cut the middle one first, it's going to stay with these two supports. That will make it easier for us to cut the other branch, which will cause a bend in the tree, still holding on these branches, these two branches. So when it has bent a little bit down, so that's where we are going to find out, cut these two branches from a little bit far away from us, so that they can go straight down, minus hitting the window and minus hitting the wall and minus damaging more roof. I think that's it for now. Thank you.
You see, we already cut two branches, middle one and the right one. Only one left. Once we cut down this left one, this will fall down directly. It will not damage the house here. You see, so that's why we cut this first and then cut this last one. Because once the last one is cutted, the big branch will fall down directly, or there are some branches outstanding, it will damage the house. So we cut it short and then cut this last one. Will be all good. Okay, let's go. Now we already cut the three branches. We let it fall down. Now once it fall down, it's all good, because it will scratch all the will not scratch all the house gutter like this. So we cut the branches first, and then let the main branch fall down. Okay, go. 2, 3, Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Hold. 鲁智深倒拔垂杨柳。Hold. Everything is done. Everything is done. Repair the roof, which is damaged by the shingle, and use. Okay, today is done. Let's see next time.